Okay, good morning, year 8. Welcome again at your school, Osama International School. Miss Sara Osama with you. Okay, today we are going to solve 2018, the part of chemistry. Okay, April 2018. Okay, who can solve the first question? If you want to solve, raise your hand. Yes. Yes, ya Hisham?
Yes.
Yes.
Mike investigates different rocks. He uses different objects to try and scratch at the surface of the rock. Mike records his observation.
Okay.
A rock can only be scattered by a substance that is harder than the rock. Which rock is the softest?
Okay, we have 5 types of rocks, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, which one of them can be
Steel
scratched?
foil. This one.
The softest one, يعني can scratch it by any.
A.
Excellent. A. It can be scratched by even your fingernail. Okay. A. Okay. Complete. Okay. This is the hardness of the rocks. Okay. Use these data to answer the question.
Use the information to answer these questions. What is the relative hardness of rock E?
Okay. We want to back to the first table. Read first here.
Easily scratched by nails.
Okay. Look at E.
E?
Look at E. Can scratch by fingernail? No.
No, can scratch by copper coin,
nail.
knife blade, and steel foil.
Okay.
Copper coin, knife blade, and steel foil.
Start from the beginning.
Scratch by copper nail.
Okay,
2.
so
3, sorry.
3. Okay, this is in order.
Easy.
Okay, this is in order. The softness one, number 1 by fingernail, and until number 10, this is can't be scratched. Okay, the hardness increase from up to down. Okay, so you have to take them in order. Start with the copper nail.
3.
3, excellent.
3 to 6.
Only 3.
3. No, it's all
The
of them. It
yes.
can easily be scratched by finger knife blade and steel foil.
Okay, but we take we will take the number which of least 1, the copper nail.
Yeah, the least one. Okay,
in order.
okay, 3.
Okay. 3. Okay. Complete the same question.
A rock can be scratched with a steel foil. This rock will not scratch glass. What is the relative hardness of this rock? Can we go back to the table? Not the table. The hardness. No, not this one. The hardness. Scratch by number 6.
Can be scratched by steel foil, number 6. Okay. Can be scratched by steel foil. Okay. Complete.
Rock form in different ways. Which type of rock form when lava from a volcano cools down?
Yes. We explained the rocks last time.
I don't remember.
Which type? We have 3 types of rocks. Can you tell me the 3 types of rocks?
Igneous.
Igneous.
No, I'm saying the answer. Is it igneous?
Oh yes, igneous. Okay. We have igneous, sedimentary, metamorphics. We said the igneous formed from magma of lava. Okay.
That's okay.
Okay, excellent, yeah, Hashim. Thank you very much. Okay, so it will be the igneous rocks. Okay. Finish. Okay, next question. Yes, Muhammad. Muhammad.
Okay. There are many different types of chemical reaction.
Yes.
Complete the sentence about types of reaction. The reaction between an acid and alkali is called neutralization.
Neutralization. Excellent. Acid and alkali. طب مهند, acid and alkali. Complete the equation. Acid plus alkali will yield. Yes, يا مهند.
I don't actually
Acid.
remember what
Why acid plus alkali will yield two
it will
products?
give you. It will.
Yes. Okay.
I think it's water and something. Water and
yes.
something.
Water and salt. Okay. Water, salt, and water. Salt and water.
Okay.
Acid plus alkali, salt and water. Don't forget it. Okay. It's called neutralization reaction. Excellent. You want to complete.
The reaction between iron and copper sulfate to form iron sulfate and copper is called displacement.
Excellent. Displacement. Explain this here, Mohammed. Which one more reactive?
Because
yes.
because iron is more reactive than copper, so it displaces it.
Okay, excellent. The iron more reactive than copper, so it will replace or displace the copper from its compound. Excellent, Mohammed. Complete.
When baking powder reacts with vinegar, the mixture gets colder. This is because the reaction is the exothermic because it releases energy.
You said A, endothermic?
Yeah, because it releases energy, so the reaction itself will be cold.
Okay. Endothermic reaction, excellent. The question here said
I mean,
get colder.
endothermic, endothermic, cold and endothermic.
Yes, endothermic. We said,
Because I have a question.
We said before, if the temperature decreases after the reaction,
it's endothermic.
Okay, if it increases, ectothermic.
Exothermic.
Okay,
okay, 1 second. What does relative hardness mean?
What
in the previous question, relative hardness.
Hardness. Okay, the hardness.
Relative hardness, the one in the previous question.
Yes, this one. Okay, this is a scale of hardness. We have a scale for hardness from 1 to 10. They measure the hardness of the rock. Okay, for example, if the rock can be scratched by your finger, okay, this is very soft and we will take the hardness number 1. In the scale, we'll take number 1. Okay, for example, like diamond. Okay, diamond can't be scratched. So, for example, it will take number 10. Okay, very hard, can't be scratched. This is a scale. Measure the hardness of rocks. We have different kinds of rocks. Some of them
relative
very
means
soft.
relative means that
the numbers, the scale. Yes, the scale of the hardness. Okay. You have any question about the rocks?
No, easy.
Okay, so excellent, Mohammed. Okay, this is another question. Thank you, Mohammed, very much. Okay, who can solve? Who can solve? Guys, Khattab. Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Mia collects 3 liquids found in her kitchen. Mia then makes this statement about the substance. Maya's friend,
Maya's friend, Carlos
tells her she has no evidence for her statement. Why is it important to have evidence to make up a specific statement to be correct?
Excellent. To check if the result is correct or not. Okay. Excellent. To check whether the result is correct or not. Okay. Next. Complete.
Describe how Maya uses an indicator to collect evidence for her statement. Include name of the indicator, result she gets if the liquid or acid. Litmus paper.
Okay, excellent.
If it turns red, it will be acid. If it turns blue, it will be...
Okay, he need only the result with the acid. turn red. Okay, so the name of the indicator litmus paper, the result will turn to red. Okay, طب give me another indicator يا خطاب.
I don't remember his name بس.
Okay, who can remember? Can we talk two indicators, litmus paper and yes,
universal indicator.
excellent يا خطاب. Universal indicator. Okay, which colors you will get with the acid with the universal indicator? We have three
Red.
colors. Red, and if it's strong acid, it will be red.
Red, orange, and
Yellow. Excellent.
yellow.
Okay, if it's weak acid, yellow. Mild acid, orange. Very strong acid, it will be red. Excellent يا خطاب. Okay, so we have litmus paper, it will turn red. Okay, or universal indicator, it will turn red, orange, or yellow. Okay, thanks يا خطاب very much. Okay, who can solve this? Aluminium. Yes يا محمود. محمد محمود.
No, miss.
Yes يا محمد.
The diagram shows the atomic structure of aluminium. How
Okay,
many electrons are there in one atom of aluminium? 13.
13, excellent. Count the number of electrons. 2, 8, 3, 18, 13. Okay, complete.
Rutherford.
Which scientist discovered the structure of the atom? Excellent, Rutherford.
In which group of the periodic table is the aluminium found? 3.
How you know?
From the number of electrons
In?
in the outer shell.
Excellent, number of electrons in the outer shell. You know the number of group. How you know the number of in which period, for example? The aluminium in which
The
period?
number of shells.
Excellent. So,
Period 3.
excellent. Period 3, okay? We have 3 shells, so in period 3 and group 3 because we have 3 electrons in the outer shell. Excellent. Okay, complete.
Aluminium is used in the circuit board and batteries of a mobile phone. Use idea about the properties to explain why. Because it's a good conductor of electricity.
Excellent. It's a good conductor. Excellent. Complete.
Aluminium burns in the air to form a compound. What is the name of this compound? Aluminium oxide. Aluminium
Excellent.
plus oxygen. Aluminium oxide.
Excellent. Which gas in the air? Oxygen. Excellent. Aluminium plus oxygen, aluminium oxide. Excellent. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay. Can complete. Yes, yeah, Badr. Muhammad. Where's Muhammad? Muhammad, you just raise your hand. Where is you? Okay, Hassanin.
Yes.
Yes, Hassan.
Take the boxes next to the correct sentences about gases. Gases can flow to fill a container. Gases only at temperature above 100 Celsius. The particles in a gas are arranged randomly. The particles in a gas are close together. The third box.
The particles in a gas are arranged randomly. Excellent. We need 2.
Gases, the first box.
Excellent. The gases can flow to fill container. Excellent. So the first box and the third box. Excellent, Ilham.
A gas changes into a liquid during condensation. Describe what happens to the particles in a substance during condensation.
Okay, what happened? Explain according to the particle theory. Okay.
The particles they get close to each other
Because
and
they gain heat or lose heat.
They lose heat.
Excellent. Because they lose heat, so the particles start to become close to each other and
they turn into a liquid.
Excellent, and turn to liquid. So the particles lose energy, okay, and this have less kinetic energy, not move faster, okay, move slower, and will transfer to be a liquid, okay. Excellent, ya Muhammad. Thank you, Muhammad, very much. Yes, ya Masoud. Masoud. طيب معاذ.
Yes, miss.
Yes, يا معاذ.
Urey investigates the reaction of metals with acids. He adds different metals
Yes.
to dilute hydrochloric acid. The diagram shows his results. Complete the column heading and table to show Urey's results. Metal and the one beside it amount of bubbles.
Number of the bubbles, excellent. So the head of the table here, it will be the number of the bubbles. In A, 0,
Yes.
B, 6, C,
C,
count them.
15 bubbles.
15.
15, yeah.
Okay, 15, excellent. D,
And in D3.
3. Excellent, yeah, Moise. Complete.
Describe how Urey could improve his method to find the volume of gas produced.
Okay, which method he will
Collect the
use?
gas. Collect the gas in a measuring cylinder or test tube.
Choose one.
Collect
To measure the volume
the gas
of the gas. Yes.
Collect the gas in a measuring cylinder.
Excellent. In measuring cylinder, he want to measure the volume of the gas. Okay. So
Yes.
we have an experiment activity in the books about this point. Okay. We collect the gas in a measuring cylinder. Excellent in mind. Okay. This is C. Okay. Complete.
Same. Urey repeats his experiment using more concentrated acid. Urey makes this prediction. If I use more concentrated acid, I will get a faster reaction. Yes. If Urey's prediction is supported by his results? Yes.
Yes. Excellent. Yes.
Explaining ourselves. Because more concentration is the same as adding more particles per unit. Miss, I can't hear you. No, I can't hear you. Miss, you muted yourself.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. What the difference, Yamad, between this picture and the first one?
There are more bubbles here.
Excellent. There's here more bubbles.
Single tube.
Excellent. In each tube, more bubbles than the other one. Okay. Excellent. Yeah, Moed. More bubbles in the tube. Excellent. Yeah, Moed. Okay. طب Moed, can you tell me the factors affect the rate of reaction?
Surface area, concentration, catalysts,
Oh, okay. Explain each one
temperature.
Explain each one in details, Iman. يعني for example, as the surface area increase.
The surface area, the larger the surface area, the faster the reaction happens.
Excellent. Number 2.
Temperature, the hotter the temperature or the warmer the temperature, the faster the reaction happens.
Excellent. Number 3.
Concentration, higher concentration is equal to more particles per 1 unit.
So the reaction will increase. The rate of reaction.
So the reaction will increase, and catalysts are materials that are added to a reaction that they make the reaction faster, but they don't get involved with it.
Excellent. Excellent, Iman. So we have 4 factors. Excellent. Affect on the rate of reaction. Thank you, Iman, very much. Okay, who can solve the next? Yes, you first.
Hello, miss.
Hello, your face. Can you solve this, please?
Yes, when lithium is added to water, it forms lithium hydroxide and a gas. Complete the word equation for the action between lithium and water. Lithium plus water is equal to lithium hydroxide plus hydrogen.
Excellent, yeah. Here it is. Okay, he asked
The
the word equation, so you have to write in words, not in a symbol.
Yes.
Okay, excellent.
The chemical symbol for lithium is Li. The formula for water is H2O. Okay, LiOH. Which of these substances is an element? Lithium.
Lithium, excellent. Why?
Linear answer. Because lithium is made of only one kind of atom.
Excellent, because it contains only one type of atom. Okay, but tell me that in water, which how many atoms there in water? How many atoms?
3.
3, excellent. 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. In lithium hydroxide,
Lithium hydroxide. 3 also.
3 also. Lithium, oxygen, hydrogen. Excellent, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it contains only one type of atom. Okay, complete it first. C.
Lithium is in group 1 of the periodic table. The diagram shows some of the elements in group 1 of the periodic table. They describe how the activity of group 1 metal changes as you go down the group. It becomes more violent.
Excellent. Reactivity increase or decrease as we go from up to down?
From up to down, it increases.
Increases, okay. But tell me, this is about the group 1. Reactivity increase as we go from up to down. Tell me about the reactivity in group 7.
In group 7, when we go down the group,
Yes.
It increases. No, it decreases. It decreases.
Decreases, excellent. Group 7, the vice versa of the group 1. As we go from up to down, decreases. Okay, decreases. But group 1 increases. Okay,
Yes.
excellent effects. So it increases or more reactive. Okay, excellent. Okay, thank you, Alfaris, very much. Okay, who can solve? Okay, Muaz, you solve first one. Masoud, you don't want to solve? Okay, Masoud. Masoud, unmute yourself. Huh? Yes, yes,
Okay,
Masoud.
the diagram shows a structure of the Born atom. Black equal particle Y, white equal particle Z. Name particle Y and Z. Name particle Y. 1, 2, 3, 6. 6.
I don't mean the number. Name. It's called A.
Name the protons.
Okay. Before you answer, ya Masoud, tell me, this is the structure of the atom. Okay. It contains nucleus and shells. Okay. What we can found in the shells?
What we can find shells
In the shells, you can find A.
electrons.
Electrons.
Protons.
Okay. Electrons only. Okay. In the shells, electrons only. Inside the nucleus, you can find
neutron and proton.
Okay. Inside the nucleus, we have proton and neutron. Okay.
Yes.
Number of electron equal number of, at any atom, number of electron equal number of
proton,
not neutron. Okay. Protons. E equal B. Number of electron equal number of proton. So the particle Y, you said it. This is the nucleus. So Y and Z, one of them is proton and one of them is neutron. Okay. Y.
Yes.
Which one?
Sorry. Particle Z. Z equal proton and Y equal neutron. Yes.
Excellent. Z is proton because they are 5 equal the 5 electron. So Z is proton and Y neutron.
Yes, I counted like that.
Okay, excellent يا مسعود.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you يا مسعود. Okay, 2 minutes. I think we finish. Okay. We solve April 2018. Okay, paper 1 and paper 2. The homework to solve October 2018. Okay, paper 1 and 2. The part of the chemistry, I will upload this exam on the Edmood inshallah. Okay. If you solve, I will add a part of assignments. Please submit on this part. Okay. Thank you, years 8, for listening. See you next week. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Yes. Yes, Muhammad. Oh, yes, Muhammad Badr. Where is you? Where are you? Okay. Yes, Muhammad, you have any question? Yes, Muhammad.
Miss, you said yesterday that we will solve an exam today.
We solved an exam. We
Yes,
solved April 2018.
Yes, this is April 2018.
18, yes, April 2018. I ask you to solve October 2018, okay?
Okay.
I will add it in mode, okay?
Thank you, Miss.
Welcome, Muhammad. Okay. Before I leave, please watch this video. Okay, thank you.
Nope. Yep. 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 Nope. Yep.